meet the best combination for food labeling: ultrasonic banding and the US-2100 from ATS. Banding uses ultrasonic welding to adhere a paper or film band around your product with zero residue or damage. And unlike traditional pressure-sensitive labels and stickers, it creates no liner waste. This makes it the best solution for produce, ready meals, meat, and seafood. The wide format of the US-2100 gives brands a large space to stand out from the competition, with either 75 or 100 millimeter bands available. And the availability of stainless steel models allows it to be hygienically incorporated into any food production environment. The US-2100 comes in both standalone versions for manual operation or fully automated systems capable of being integrated into existing production lines. It can also be fitted with a thermal printer for variable information like dates and codes. Whether used for bundling and promoting products in one step or labeling food, the US-2100 and ultrasonic banding will exceed your expectations. If you have any questions, make sure you visit us online or give us a call. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For Wexler Packaging, this has been Ryan Perlman.